Opened on July 17, 1955, Disneyland was the first ever theme park built by the Walt Disney Company. Disneyland envisioned a place where families could have fun together, and Disneyland became a groundbreaking achievement in themed entertainment. Initially featuring under 20 attractions, the park has since expanded significantly, introducing themed lands such as Adventureland, Fantasyland, Tomorrowland, and more. Over the decades, Disneyland has undergone numerous renovations and additions, maintaining its status as a beloved destination for millions of visitors worldwide.
As you enter the park, you will step foot onto Main Street, USA, where you can take a ride on the Disneyland Railroad or one of the Main Street vehicles. Head down Main Street and make a left to Adventureland. Here you will uncover Indiana Jones Adventure, Jungle Cruise, and Swiss Family Robinson's Treehouse. Keep walking the path until you reach New Orleans Square, where you can ride Pirates of the Caribbean and Haunted Mansion. Walk along the river into the heart of Critter Country to soak in some fun on Tiana's Bayou Adventure, opening November 15th, 2024, Davy Crockett's Explorer Canoes, and the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh. Jump into Lightspeed as you cross into Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. You can take a ride on Millennium Falcon, Smuggler's Run, and Star Wars Rise of the Resistance. As you exit this land, stay to your right to enjoy Frontierland. You will have a rootin' tootin' time on Big Thunder Mountain, Mark Twain Riverboat, Sailing Ship Columbia, and Tom Sawyer Island. Head out into the hub to take a walk through the castle into Fantasyland to relax on Peter Pan's Flight, Dumbo the Flying Elephant, It's a Small World, Matterhorn Bobsleds, King Arthur Carousel, Storybook Land Canal Boats, Alice in Wonderland, Mad Tea Party, Casey Jr. Circus Train, Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, Pinocchio's Daring Journey, and Snow White's Enchanted Wish. In the back of the park, you'll arrive at Mickey's Toontown, hop onto Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin, and Gadget's Go Coaster. On your way back to Main Street, don't skip Tomorrowland. You can be a part of the future by riding Space Mountain, Star Tours, The Adventures Continue, Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage, Autopia, Astro Orbiter, and Buzz Lightyear Astro Blasters. Shows and character experiences you can find in Disneyland are Fantasmic, Magic Happens Parade, Fire of the Rising Moons, Nighttime Fireworks, Fantasy Fair, Minnie's House, Mickey's House, Pixie Hollow, Storytelling at Royal Theater, Enchanted Tiki Room, Main Street Cinema, and Disneyland Story presenting great moments with Mr. Lincoln.
If you want to plan for crowds, be aware of the most popular rides at Disneyland. Star Wars Rise of the Resistance, Haunted Mansion, Indiana Jones Adventure, Space Mountain, Pirates of the Caribbean, Peter Pan's Flight, and controversially, Matterhorn Bobsleds.
If you have a little one, or you prefer to stay away from thrill rides, there are plenty of options to choose from. Dumbo the Flying Elephant, The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, Peter Pan's Flight, Jungle Cruise, Storybook Land Canal Boats, King Arthur Carousel.
Are you looking for fun on a budget? Here are some free things to do at Disneyland. Explore the themed lands. Stroll through distinct areas like Adventureland, Fantasyland, and Tomorrowland, soaking in the immersive theming and unique architecture. Take photos with iconic landmarks. Capture memories at spots like Sleeping Beauty Castle, the Partner Statue, and the Disneyland Railroad Station. Enjoy live entertainment. Watch various street performers and musical acts throughout the park, including marching bands and character performances. Watch the Flag Retreat Ceremony, a daily event at Town Square that features the lowering of the flag with patriotic music and a brief ceremony. Character experiences. At Disneyland, meeting characters is like stepping into a cherished storybook. Finding hidden Mickeys. Discovering hidden Mickeys at Disneyland adds an exciting treasure hunt element to your visit, as you search for the iconic three-circle symbol cleverly concealed in the park's decor, attractions, and landscapes.
So when is the best time to visit? In general, off-peak seasons. Visit during the off-peak times of the year, typically mid-January through mid-March, and mid-September through mid-November. These periods see lower attendance as families are less likely to visit. Weekdays versus weekends. Tuesdays and Wednesdays tend to be the least crowded days of the week. Avoid weekends, especially during peak seasons and holidays. Holidays and school breaks. Avoid major holidays, examples Christmas, Thanksgiving, 4th of July, when crowds are at their highest. Weather considerations. Cooler or rainy days can lead to lower attendance, making a great time for shorter lines. Early mornings. Arriving right when the park opens can give you a head start on popular attractions before the crowds build. Late afternoons and evenings. Many guests leave the parks for dinner, leading to shorter lines for rides. Evening visits, especially on weekdays, can also be less crowded. Seasonal events. Be cautious with seasonal events, like Halloween and the holiday season. While they attract many visitors, weekdays during these events may still offer lighter crowds. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our Disney California Adventure overview. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.